it's Amelia. Today I got my fidgets! My yellow fidgets only. But, I've already looked in the package. But, I've noticed the stress ball is coming red. But, I have got a red splat ball anyway, so it doesn't matter, so. Yeah, let's do this. Oh my god! My tiny mini heart popper. I love it. Next is my red marble mesh. Mystery coloured. Next is my red tomato splat ball. Next is my yellow, well, meant to be yellow, but red ball, stress ball. Next is my yellow bike chain. Is mine. This thing is my dog's thingy. Not dog. That is my coat tip.
That is my coat tip.
Do my heart pocket there. So here it is. It looks so nice. Look at it. Ah! Let me open it. Yes, I love it. It's so good. Next, I'm going to do this dog. Oh wait, no. My spot. Oh, here it is. Oh, it's so cool. Jelly. Oh, it sticks to the wall. It sticks to the wall. Wow! Sticks to the wall. Hey, very cool. Here's mine. This one, so I can not do them in order. Got there. Wow, very cool. Right, so what I'm going to do in a bit, at the end of the video, I'm going to cut the net off of this. So next, I'll be doing my bike chain. Oh, it's got the little red bands on it. Well, yellow bands on it. Next is my dog. My dog. Oh my god, this is so cool. So cool. Okay, so look, there it is. So next is my fidget pad. Oh, I like it. It's kind of black. Really cool though. Right, so I'm going to show all of my fidget. Wait, now I have to do the pop too. How do I close it? I'll figure it out. I love it. It's so cool. Ah! Look at this. I love it. Look. Oh. And got my marble. This. Right. So now's the big moment. I'm going to put the net on this. Ah! Scissors. The scissors. I'll come back when I'm done. Quite cool. Very cool. Another stress balls to my collection. And I said I didn't want any more. But it's very, very nice actually. I really like it. Oh, it's so good. Whoa. Probably need to wash it off. Because there's hair on it. There's hair on it. Right, so now I'm done. I'm done, guys. Don't mind me just putting my Hot Pocket. I'm done, guys. Hope you like this. A very cool unboxing video. Comment down below if you want any more. Well, if you can comment down below. Because sometimes the comments go. Yes, we already played with this. There's another one. I like that. So, yeah. See you guys in the next one. Bye.